When it comes to home improvement projects, window installation is one of the most critical tasks you can tackle. The quality of your windows can significantly affect your home's energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, and overall comfort. If you're considering installing new windows in your home in Lafayette, it's important to understand why hiring a professional for the job is the best decision. While DIY projects might seem tempting, the expertise and benefits provided by a professional installer cannot be overstated. Expertise and knowledge. Window installation requires precision, as improper installation can lead to various issues down the line, such as drafts, moisture buildup, or difficulty opening and closing windows. Professionals bring years of experience and training to ensure that your windows are installed correctly the first time. They understand the complexities of different window types, frame materials, and insulation needs. Whether you're installing energy-efficient windows or replacing old, worn-out units, a professional installer knows exactly what is required for optimal performance. A professional will also assess the unique needs of your home in Lafayette, taking into account factors like local climate, the specific style of your house, and building codes. They can provide expert recommendations tailored to your home's needs, ensuring that you choose the right windows and get the most value from your investment. Time and efficiency. Window installation is a time-consuming task that requires attention to detail. While it may take you days or even weeks to learn how to properly install windows on your own, a professional installer can complete the job in a fraction of the time. They have the necessary tools, knowledge, and experience to handle the installation quickly and efficiently, minimizing disruption to your daily life. A professional team will also manage the cleanup, leaving your home looking pristine once the job is done. Safety and risk reduction. Window installation can be dangerous, especially if you're working with large or heavy panes of glass, tall ladders, or dealing with complicated installations. Professionals are trained to safely handle these tasks and take the necessary precautions to prevent accidents. They have the proper equipment and safety gear to ensure the job is done without risk to you or your property. Attempting to install windows yourself, particularly in high or hard-to-reach areas, can lead to serious injuries or even damage to your home. With a professional installation service, you can rest easy knowing that the job will be done safely and without risk. Quality workmanship and warranty. One of the biggest advantages of hiring a professional for window installation is the guarantee of quality workmanship. Professionals take pride in their work and aim to provide the highest standard of service. With their skills, they ensure that your windows are installed to last. Moreover, many professional installers offer warranties on their services, giving you peace of mind in case something goes wrong after installation. If you decide to go the DIY route, you might not have any recourse if the windows are not installed correctly or if they start malfunctioning after some time. By hiring a professional, you are protected by warranties and support that ensure you receive proper service and follow-up. Increased home value. New windows not only improve your home's energy efficiency but can also enhance its overall curb appeal. Professional installation can boost the aesthetic value of your home in Lafayette, making it more attractive to potential buyers if you decide to sell. Homes with well-installed, high-quality windows are often more desirable, which can increase your property's resale value. Additionally, energy-efficient windows, when installed correctly, can reduce your home's energy bills by keeping the interior temperature stable, further adding to your home's long-term value. Avoiding common mistakes. One of the major risks of DIY window installation is the potential for mistakes. Small errors, like improperly sealing a window or not aligning it properly, can cause long-term problems. These mistakes can lead to higher energy costs, water leaks, and even structural damage to your home. By hiring a professional, you avoid these costly errors. They have the expertise to address all potential installation challenges and ensure your windows are fitted precisely. This not only prevents issues but also saves you money in the long run. Conclusion. While installing windows might seem like a manageable DIY project, hiring a professional installer in Lafayette offers many benefits that far outweigh the risks and challenges of doing it yourself. With the expertise, efficiency, safety, and quality that professionals provide, you can be confident that your window installation will be done right. Whether you're looking to improve your home's energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, or overall value, a professional window installation is an investment that will pay off for years to come.